Right then, so 2016 T6 Highline ex-combi 150 brake, remapped to 185 with the AdBlue delete. Good looking van. Start at the front. It's got the Sportline kit, gloss black, with the Transporter HQ uprated headlights with the DRLs. Transporter HQ sun visor, that needs changing, the corners started peeling, the jet wash. Sitting on new Super Metal 18-inch rockets with General Grabber tyres, a recent upgrade. Dometic wind out awning, BBH branding. She's an ex-combi, this one, she's twin slide. Tailgate with the rear spoiler cut for genuine VW bike carrier. Underneath she's got the Westphalia detachable tow bar and electrics, and fitted with the electrics underneath, not in the side. Nice and discreet out the way. Oztops premium sky gazer roof with Leighton Vans bars and fitted with 2-lay surfboard rack, snowboard, paddleboard, whatever you want to put up there. Down the side, got your night heater outlet at the side, nice and discreet, and wastewater underneath. Genuine VW opening, slide opening glass. V-dubs transporters, side wind deflectors. Inside all the doors have been lined, suede Alcantara look. Fat Bob's mats, nice plush mats with the T6 branding. Bentley style leather seats, not covers, proper seats. Highline wheel with the cruise control and the audio controls. 55k, so she's only done little miles. Sex wax gear stick, a must obviously. The air fresheners, NC 500 mascot. We all love Highland cows. Highline gloss black dashboard. Around this side, more branding. Victron DC to DC charger for the leisure battery. Rusty Lee captain swivel seats. LED lights in the doors and in the footwells. It's a nice touch at night. All the headlining's all done. Into the back, she's got the Caravan's swivel table, more branding, Fat Bob's plush premium mats in the back, footwell light. Night heater outlet behind the seat there for the Eberspatcher heater with the controls. TV, DVD, Dometic kitchen, cooker and sink, LED lighting under the hob top, Sergeant controls, again LED lighting everywhere. It's fitted with the van shades, BBH branding all the way around, and Fabworks electric bed, which is rare, don't always see them. Premium bed, expensive feature. We all need a bottle opener, don't we? At the back, plenty of room for your storage, cargo net. Again, more BBH branding. Transporter HQ, uprated struts. Again, just your storage lockers in the back here. Everybody needs all that toilet cam and stuff. And there she is. Hope you enjoyed watching. Again, something different. Cheers.